Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this really cool device, because this is a safety thing. It's TAFL-free universal wheel lock. It's a heavy-duty security trailer wheel lock and anti-theft wheel lock system for cars, for SUVs, for camper, for motorcycle, for trailer. It's a great deterrent bright color with 3 keys. In this case, it comes in red and yellow on the location. You can use it black red as you like, or black yellow. And this makes it possible that you can secure your car really easy and fast. This wheel clamp lock's body is made of high-strength steel plates. Crescent-shaped lock cylinders compared to other general lock cylinders. Its anti-theft performance is stronger. The surface of the clamp is soft-coated, which will not damage our car wheels or tires. The bright yellow and red color of the car boot is a fine choice for a maximum visibility in both day and night time. The trailer wheel lock greatly reduced the possibility of being targeted by thieves and protected our car security effectively more. And universal wheel locks can be adjusted to fit from 7 up to 11-inch wide wheels for cars, campers, trucks, trailers, motorcycles, boats, ATVs, RVs, etc. We should make sure that the car wheel lock size fits to our wheel width. But in a normal shape, it's possible to get this in position, of course. And as you can see, it's really easy to operate this TAFL-free wheel clamp. We open the wheel lock, and then we can install it on our trailer wheel, for example. We adjust it to the appropriate hole and push the lock cylinder again. We unlock and remove the device with the key. It's also quick. Each wheel lock set is included 1 lock and 3 keys. So you can see you have everything to secure your car or trailer. TAFL-free is a young brand, but they are more passionate than anyone about automotive safety. They are constantly working and innovating to ensure the car security and provide the car owner with more convenience and peace of mind. So, we can believe them. They will give the best for us. And you see, it is really compatible to standard cars. It's a small size car and a bigger size car, and it will be matches to them. If we have a security problem, we let TAFL-free wheel lock helps us to solve this problem for us. The TAFL-free trailer wheel lock is part of the TAFL line of quality products. The wheel locks are made of high quality materials and special craftsmanship, heavy duty and more secure. The tire clamp parts of the car wheel lock can completely fix to our car tires. That means highly visible colors. This protects our car security and let these tends to avoid our vehicle in travel or at home. They are essential, of course. Owning it, this gives us more peace of mind. The tire wide can be changed, easy peasy. And we have an excellent locking mechanism. The crescent-shaped anti-theft copper lock cylinder and a waterproof rubber cover protection. These guards against theft and rust protection are more excellent. And it's preventing the scratches of the wheels. Smooth jar design and a rubber protection sleeve. Intimate protection of the wheel. The lock made of cold rolled steel plates, which is strong and durable, and an anti-slip and wear handle. The end of the handle of the trailer wheel lock is equipped with an anti-slip protective cover, which feels good and more comfortable, and it locks our vehicle even if it is not in a flat surface. And it's easy to lock. The presses hold spacing adjustment, no key is required. We press the lock cylinder to lock it. The Kappa wheel lock is easy to use and strong for a peace of mind too. We don't need a key to lock it. It's so easy by using that. Installing a heavy-duty wheel lock is really cool and easy with that here. This is the Labra Universal Wheel Lock. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.